In this video, we're going to show you how to upload a caption file to a video in Canvas. So when you have your video open, you're going to go to the Captions option. And in the Upload section, we're going to select English because that is the language that our caption file is in. And so then we're going to go to our, it will pull up your search box, and we're going to find our caption file, and we're going to upload it. And so here you see under Manage Captions, it now says English. It does give you the option to download, replace, or delete. If you're downloading it, that would download the file and can serve as a transcript. You'll see here in the video, the closed caption option is now available. You can select that and then select English. And we're going to play our video.
Welcome to the recording for this week. We met in...
And you'll see here under or up top, the captions will display if the caption feature is on. And that's all you need to do.